Welcome back to the channel. If you've been involved in a car accident and are wondering why your settlement is taking so long, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to break down some common reasons why car accident settlements can drag on longer than expected, and what you can do about it. Number 1. Severity of injuries. One major factor is the severity of your injuries. The more serious your injuries, the longer it can take to finalize a settlement. Why? Because you need to reach what's called maximum medical improvement first. This means that you've either fully recovered or your condition has stabilized enough to know the long-term impact. Without this, it's hard to determine how much compensation you should receive for medical expenses, future treatments, or pain and suffering. So, while it can be frustrating, taking time here is crucial to make sure you don't end up with less compensation than you deserve. Number 2. Liability disputes. Another big cause of delay can be liability disputes. Basically, who's at fault for the accident. If the insurance company or the other driver's attorney is arguing over fault, expect the process to slow down. Sometimes it's clear-cut who's responsible, but other times, the other party might try to shift some or all of the blame to you. In these cases, it can take longer to resolve as both sides gather evidence, witness statements, and even expert opinions. Number 3. Insurance company tactics. Insurance companies aren't in any rush to pay out large sums of money. In fact, some will drag out the process in the hopes you'll settle for less, just to get it over with. They may request excessive documentation, delay responses, or even try to lowball you with an early offer. Their goal is to save money, not necessarily to be fair. This is why having a lawyer on your side can make a big difference, as they'll know how to deal with these stalling tactics. Sometimes, complex medical issues or legal questions can add time to your settlement. If your injuries are difficult to diagnose or require extensive treatment, the insurance company may need more time to evaluate the claim. Also, if there are legal issues around things like multiple parties being involved or unclear insurance coverage, these need to be sorted out before the settlement can be finalized. Court backlogs. If your case goes to litigation, you could face delays simply because of the court system. Courts can get backed up, and your trial date might be months away. While most cases settle before they get to court, knowing that a backlog is a possibility is important, especially if the insurance company refuses to offer a fair settlement before litigation. Finally, if your settlement is expected to be a large amount, that can slow things down too. Insurance companies are more likely to scrutinize high-value claims, which means more investigation, more expert opinions, and more negotiations. Larger payouts take longer to resolve because they want to ensure every detail has been examined before agreeing to the final amount. So, what can you do? Waiting on a settlement can be frustrating, but there are things you can do to speed up the process. First, stay in communication with your lawyer and make sure you're on top of providing any necessary documents or information as quickly as possible. Second, be patient with your medical treatments. Don't rush to settle before knowing the full extent of your injuries. Finally, if you feel the insurance company is dragging its feet, your lawyer can push back and keep things moving. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights into legal matters like this. And as always, if you have any questions or need help with your specific case, drop a comment or reach out for personalized advice. Thanks for watching.